Hello, in this video we're going to discuss the impact time and we're going to understand why does making the impact time longer reduce the impact force. The impact time is the time during a collision. In order to reduce the effect of a collision and its consequences, the impact force should be reduced. This is achieved by increasing the impact time. So, let's explain the relation between the impact force and the impact time by the help of the equations. We know that the force is equal to the mass multiplied by the acceleration, and the acceleration is equal to the final velocity minus the initial velocity divided by the time taken. So the acceleration is equal to the change of velocity divided by the time taken. Let's replace the equation of the acceleration in the equation of the force. So, the force is equal to the mass multiplied by the change of velocity divided by the time taken. And also recall the change of momentum. The change of momentum is equal to the mass multiplied by the change of velocity. So, we can replace the mass multiplied by the change of velocity by the change of momentum in the equation of the force. So therefore, the force is equal to the change of momentum divided by the time taken. Hence, the impact force is defined as the change of momentum per second. And if this time taken will be replaced by the impact time in order to express the impact force, the equation is thus impact force is equal to the change of momentum divided by the impact time. From a mathematical relation, if the denominator increases, this decreases the answer. So if the impact time increases, the impact force will be reduced. From this equation, we can understand how much the impact force can be reduced by increasing the impact time. For that, in the car safety features, such as crumple zones and sidebars, increase the impact time and so reduce the impact force on the car. That's all. Thanks for watching.